got a problem, then we got a problem. If she got a problem, then you got a problem. She gon' twerk, 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 twerk that ass like it's her fucking birthday, bitch. Twerk that ass. That's my best friend, that's my fucking bestie. Can't fuck with you hoes, cause you messy.
Blammo, what's up? I'm Willie.
I'm Nini.
And we're back with another freaking video. So today we decided we're gonna do a snack crate. Yes, it only cost me $7 because right now they are doing a $1 box and it's running out soon. By the way, they do not sponsor me because ain't nobody gonna sponsor us right now. But if they want to, they could be my motherfucking guest. But anyway, let's get into it. Anyway, so as you see, this is what we got.
I thought we got lobster.
I forgot. Oh, we didn't get a premium. We're not rich. We got the mini. So that's what we have in here, I think. But you'll see that after we open it. We got Beat the Heat. Oh, it's just a thing.
Stickers?
Yes, ma'am.
We love stickers.
Alrighty. And they even gave us a little, thing. So here we go. Here we are, period.
Back
so
on it
I
again.
think we're going to be trying
These nasty ass egg chips. Egg chips.
and I will read you these. They're fried egg chips. I don't know how to say this word. Uniquely flavored savory chips are great served as a party snack or served with a sandwich made with Iberico ham. I don't know how to say that. But anyway.
This is what Canadians eat. That is what Canadians eat.
But anyway, so let's get open. So that's what it looks like on the inside.
I think I know what chips are like. Unless they're blind.
This is what the chip is.
What happens if they're blind?
And then
I dropped it on the floor. Looks like I can't try it.
let's try it. It tastes like a deviled egg.
It smells like dirty coochie. They're shitting right now.
Just taste it. I do not recommend 0. I do not recommend this nasty shit.
Ew. Give me a drink. Give me a fucking drink. Oh, I forget we're on TV. Or our YouTube. Can I put it in that cup?
No.
No, we have cups for no reason.
No, we don't. I think I'm gonna give these to Caleb, my brother. Okay, next thing. Shouldn't taste like ass. But we have these. They're Filipinos.
What's the
Filipinos, they're donuts.
Filipinos is I'm not gonna say anything.
Anyway, crunchy ring-shaped chocolate biscuits dipped in milk chocolate. She said, I want to open them, but oh, she did it. You're not supposed to open it all the way like that.
Why are you snatching things?
Get the hell up, you freaking bitch. Damn. Anyway,
Oh my god.
this is what they look like. They don't smell bad. They smell like the crunch.
They don't look good.
They've been in my room. They're a little they're a little broken. They're stuck together. You just take the arm.
I'll just take this little piece. I don't know. Oh look, there's a little F on it. I don't know if they can see that. There's a little F on it. Oh shit, I'm just doing this for no reason. They can't see the F.
Kind of feels like peanut butter.
Tastes like something I get at an old person's house.
You gonna eat the rest of it? I'm gonna put it over there with your garbage pile.
I only ate this little piece. These are still good. You can eat that.
Okay, next thing. Cocoa cream. I don't know how to say that. Whatever. Here, you open it.
Oh my god, we're cocoa cream.
Huh?
Cocoa cream.
Bye.
We're cocoa cream.
Okay, delicious chocolate filled with vanilla cream and bits of chocolate cookie. I think that's what I said.
I'm opening this the way I want
Yeah,
to
chocolate.
open it.
Wow!
Look at this. That's what it looks like. There.
Give me the damn thing.
That's how I open things.
Yeah, retardedly.
You can't say that on TV.
Whoops, my
People would
bad.
take offense.
Alright, so this is what they look like on the
I
inside.
take offense.
There you go.
Hey, spread the word to end the
Here.
word. I was on the challenge.
Hashtag?
That campaign. Spread
Hashtag
the word.
R word.
Stop. I can't stop. Oh my god, I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Oh yeah. Spread the word to end the word. That's what I was gonna say, but I forgot it. Tastes like my fingers. Tastes like me. Willie got a Snapchat.
Don't tell people I use my phone for the camera. Okay. These next, alright. Spicy mangoes. This is what they look like on the inside. This is what they look like. They're squishy. They kind of look like a kidney. There you go. I gotta remember, I still gotta read it. Don't eat it yet. Hold on.
It smells like
that.
I can
These
smell my
sweet
food.
and spicy mango flavored gummies are fruity with a kick of fiery heat. Can you stop molesting it?
Bye! Maybe it wants to
Okay.
be stretched out.
Okay. Ready? This is what they look like.
I don't know if I like it or if I hate it.
What do you mean? Like they're soft on top and then chewy on the bottom.
No.
They're spicy.
Feels like I'm eating some candy and I dip that shit in some hot sauce. I don't think these two should mix, but I like the taste of the candy. The hot sauce should be on some noodles or some chicken or something.
I hope it's not actual hot sauce. Anyway, onto our second to last item and no third.
I shouldn't eat it.
I don't know whatever this is.
Oh, it's a heart.
I don't know.
So tiny.
Doesn't smell bad. I think it's just bread. So you can rip
I
it
don't want the
in
way it tastes.
here. Rip off a little piece. A crunchy puff pastry topped with a delicious sweet sugar glaze. Try one with your morning coffee. It's already opened. It's already opened.
Oh my god. Ew, it's sticky.
Because it has
Why?
a sugary glaze. Okay, this is what it looks like. Maybe we should have took it from the middle.
This has no sugar on it. This tastes sour. And like,
It's plain. I don't like it.
this is old sour. Like, if you lick this,
I don't recommend 0%. Table's dirty. Okay, and now we have whatever these are.
are there two or just one?
Well, there's two in there. They are these bright red candies feature a crunchy sugary outer layer with a soft gummy cherry center. So this is what they look like. You see it, you know, very nice. My fingers look gross.
My fingers look pretty up to date.
Well, it's not bad. I feel like these are like the cherry showers. You talk about?
What are cherry sours? I don't eat things with cherry.
No, you don't.
I like cherry.
Last but not least, until our next one. I think this is lemon. I can't even get it open. Oh wait, hot. Okay, so that's why we have our cups. Here, drink the water out of your cup. Okay, not the whole ice.
There was mad water in my
You ready?
cup.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Can we get an ASMR in the chat? Just kidding. Period. Alright, so it has... Oh, wait, hold on, I have to read it. Whoops, my bad. Originally created in 1950s, this intensely flavored soda is made with real lemon juice, sunny like a warm Spanish summer day. Oh. I farted.
Did you really?
Yes, when I was stirring, I farted.
Are you serious? Out of your butthole?
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
It's not bad. It's not bad. But anyway, guys, I would give this snack crate a 7 out of 10. What would you give it? What would you give it?
I don't like anything.
I didn't like 2 things in it.
I don't like pretty much everything, so I would give it 3.
Well, she gives it a 3 out of 10.
I'm picky.
This is whatever. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Something I want to do. Hold on.
You're too close. Stop. Back up so I can finish the video. But anyway, this was our video. Did a snack crate. I think we will try to do this every month, so keep a lookout for these videos. Thank you. I'm Willie.
I did it.
And thank you for watching.